Hey everyone, my name is Josh Kroenke. Yeah, just like the owner of the Denver Nuggets. But I'm not into basketball or management, and I'm definitely not a billionaire. What I do know is cars, and that's exactly what I talk about on this channel. Alright, enough with the intro. Let's get into today's topic.
Updated, April 6, 2024, 18:53 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Published, April 22, 2021, 15:39 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. More than once you don't realize how important something is until it runs out or stops working, and this premise is especially true of an automobile. You use it to take your kids to school, drive to work, go shopping and much more, and if it suddenly won't start or stops working, everything starts to get complicated. Let's see here the solution to a frequent doubt: why doesn't my car start if it has a battery? The reasons for your car not starting even though it has a battery are usually related to the maintenance that the vehicle receives, or to the wear of some of the parts. Let's see what could be happening and how to solve it. Hopefully you never experience the scenario where your car won't start, but if your car won't start and you need help, it's always best to go to your mechanic to properly diagnose and assess the problem. You may be interested in why the alarm won't let me start my car, causes and solutions. How to transfer power from car to car without damaging the computer. What happens if you start the car without warming it up on very cold days? 10 ways to unlock your car or truck if you left the keys inside. How to remove the immobilizer from a car. Properly maintaining your car's engine is essential to avoid breakdowns when it is time to start it. The car won't start but the battery is okay. In conclusion, if your car won't start despite having a battery, it's essential to consider several factors beyond just battery power. Issues such as a faulty starter, ignition problems, or even fuel supply can all contribute to this frustrating situation. Regular maintenance and timely inspections can help identify potential problems before they escalate. If you're unsure, consulting a professional mechanic can save you time and money in the long run. Remember, understanding your vehicle's needs is key to keeping it running smoothly. Thank you for watching, and safe driving.